Okay, guys, this is Iraq's biggest complaint to the United States, and this report will show you how Iraq is in the middle, literally. See the three routes from Israel to Iran on the map? Route 2 goes directly over Iraq. See where Iran's nuclear sites are located? The map shows that routes 1 and 3 go outside of Iraq and back into Iran. However, we all know that the shortest route is directly over Iraq and into Iran. But here's the kicker. 2 days ago, a drone that was on its way to Israel from Iran, and it malfunctioned and fell in northern Iraq. This is verifiable news. The Iranian military commander, whom Israel said it killed, had been in the job for 4 days. Israel killed his predecessor last week. Israel is targeting Iran's military leaders, and President Trump has advised people to leave Tehran. Why? Because he, like many others, probably believes Israel will treat Tehran like it did the Gaza Strip and flatten it. Now here is the billion-dollar question. President Trump has managed to look like the good guy in all of this so far. He tried to negotiate with Iran and actively held Israel off while the negotiations were happening. But the deadline for the negotiations came, and Israel began bombing Iran the day after because there was no deal. No deal, no safety for Iran. Now Iran is saying it wants to negotiate again. However, the United States still holds the key to the destruction of Iran's largest nuclear facility. Iran's best protected nuclear site, Fordo, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, is buried deep inside a mountain. Only the U.S. has a bomb that could reach it. See the red circle on the map in Iran? Now, Israel has been bombing this area, but so far has not been able to penetrate. Will President Trump allow Israel to use the bomb? Or will he go back to negotiating table with Iran? Is Iran ready to play nice? Do they now understand that Israel is dead serious about not allowing them to have nuclear power? Guys, this is all happening because Iran openly said that they want to wipe Israel off the face of the map. But in the meantime, Iraq is in the middle.